natin kasi bigay yun sa atin. Bigay sa mga tiga Davao. Okay naman ang presidente mag-inspection siya, pero naman kahit papaano, with due respect to the former president na pinakulong nila, dapat sana sabihin, actually, this is a legacy of the former president. Pero masakit siguro, hindi niya masabi siguro yun. Siyempre, politically, baka hindi niya talaga sa Bisaya pa, hindi niya malitok, hindi niya masabi yung mga words na yun. Pero alam niya yan, I think the president knows that, hindi sa kanya yan, kay Tatay Digong yan, at nabuo yan, at napirmahan yan, agreed upon yan during the time of the incumbency of the former President Tatay Digong. And as you said nga, and confirm talaga, it's really a grant. Bigay yan. Kaya nga kanina, I was expecting that nandun ang kinatawa ng Chinese embassy. No, but unfortunately, wala talaga ako nakita. Wala ako nakitang mga members ng consular office doon. It was only a few people siguro from the side of the president, the side of the government, and from DPWH and DOTR, and siguro maraming mga doon. Pero wala akong nakitang tawag nito, kinatawa ng Chinese embassy. Tinanong ko yung taga DPWH, ang tinanong ko kung kailan ba talaga officially magbubukas yan, ang sabi is December 15. December 15. Tapos, ito ata ang magbibigay alibyo ng trapiko dyan, yung dumadaan sa may Bolton Bridge.